Hi guys, it's Adam. So it's another Disneyland video, as you can tell from all that screaming. This is actually a special day. It's been months ago that it's been this person's birthday. It's been months since this has happened, but I finally am getting this video out. And I think I can hear him saying happy birthday now, so we should get on with the rest of the video.
Birthday to you, cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear Gabby. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. We planned it. Okay, yeah, good job. I planned it too.
Me all the time.
So where do you want to go?
I'm not too sure.
Who do you want to see?
I don't know why I feel so late right now.
You feel lazy?
No,
Late?
Oh, late.
Yeah, it feels so late.
The night is young. It's your birthday.
I know.
Oh.
So don't start a howl. Don't start a howl.
It's like, Gary, stop doing the arrow back. I can't help it.
Stare at the center of the wheel for 30 seconds, and then look at the back of your hand. Okay.
20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
What happened to your hand? What's going on?
Oh my god, everything looks like distorted. Like everything's like, it looks like it's like zoomed.
Really? Look at people's faces. Just making it worse. She's like, wow, your face looks so ugly. Oh,
Imagine
thanks.
it looks better.
Yeah.
And next thing I was all like, wait, you're not wearing lipstick? Shut up.
Yeah.
Lipstick.
What?
I was like, Adam.
Oh, it's memorized.
Back to us, Adam.
As you can tell, if it's your birthday at Disneyland, you're gonna want to take a lot of pictures. So this is what happened when we took pictures.
It's oh.
All right, look over here, sweetie. Look at the birdie. Look at the birdie.
Like white.
Here, I got it.
Wait, let me take this one.
There you go.
Oh, there you go. You see? Oh, there you go.
There we go. Ready?
There you go. Yeah.
Yes, girls. Yes.
After that, of course, we had to go to Thunder Mountain. We go there quite a bit. Every time we go, we kind of have to at least go once. If not, I don't know what it would be without, what a day would be without going to that ride. It's just kind of mandatory. And as you can see, we're on it right now.
Oh, there we go.
Right there. Hello.
Here we go.
There was a point where I was just like laying.
I know. During that go, I couldn't even turn all the way around. You're just leaning on me. I'm like, okay.
Okay, that was funny. I was
That was
actually
fun.
still the whole time.
Priscilla was just like Muppet laughing at me. She's
Really?
like,
I know, did you
Yeah,
you just practically like took a nap right there. Here's me, here's Adam, ready? Here's the turn point.
why weren't you filming that?
Because it was a perfect bromance.
Yeah.
You can't return it back.
You're just crying.
I'm crying, laughing.
My head hurts from how much I was laughing.
When we turn, I always get stuck. Like the last
turn?
time, I was like laying on her boob. I'm like, ah.
Wow.
No, it was my back.
Oh, see,
Oh.
no, but for her when we went, I like, woo, and I like, I was just like, they're like.
Or your brother did the same thing.
Yeah. I just embraced it at the end of the turn. I was happening. I'm like, okay.
That's all
I'm just on him.
He's like, I think me and Anthony are pretty chill about it. So we've reached the point where we're still friends, but we don't talk about it.
How pretty.
Oh, that is nice.
Photo up, guys. You guys
I know. There's a lot of light.
are kissing right now with
Go for it. Stand right here. Stand right here. Right here before it goes away.
Make the magic happen, Adam. Make the magic happen. Wait, the other way.
The other way. Turn around.
Get it. Hold it. Hold it. Wait. There's another one. Somewhere. Oh, here it goes.
It's not over. That's not Disney.
Get closer. Ready, go.
Pretend like you're proposing to her. That would make it cuter.
Her face, she's like, what?
Hold on, ready? Okay, ready?
No!
Oh my gosh!
There's gonna be good ones right now. Get ready.
You're like, we're already married.
2 years in, so shut it.
Stay in there!
No, ready?
Get her, balloon.
Sorry. Ready? Jump. You're gonna jump. Ready? 1, 2, 3, jump. You got the motivation.
Let's switch this way.
Yeah, that's
That was way too fast.
Whoa.
And she kept on going. She's like,
What is going on? Oh, we have to go on teacups. Let's go on teacups next.
Let's try it.
Let's try all of us in it. I want to see how this works.
I hope I don't fail like last time.
I think you'll do perfectly fine now.
Okay, so this is what happened. It tells you directions exactly what to do. You sit and it tells you keep spinning, keep spinning, keep spinning. Me, being a torta, I spin the other way. So if I'm correct, you're supposed to do it counterclockwise. I did it the other way. And next thing you know, I was like struggling so much. Like, why is it so hard to put it on? And next thing I realized, like, oh, I messed up.
Well, you'll be able to get it right now. We're gonna go really fast now.
All right, let's do this. And next thing you know, you guys are gonna be like this. This is all your fault, Anthony. And one of you guys fall, I'm gonna laugh.
That's horrible.
I know, right?
It feels good.
Let me see. Oh yeah, it does.
Put your head back.
My head feels like it's gonna fall.
Oh, they're about to vomit.
I feel it.
I don't know.
And next thing you know, I'm like, I'm feeling good.
Shall we go again? But 2 different ones maybe this time. Now we can spin this one like crazy.
Say hello to the camera, ladies.
Ahora comienza el mar.
Oh, it's Spanish in español.
Pues si quieres, soy Fidelito ahorita.
Piernas.
Que no quieres venir acá en el paso. Salía, por favor. Hey, you guys want to get my hand?
Wow.
Chicka wow wow. Chicka wow.
Oh, here we go. We're going. Get this beast going. All right, here we go. Oh, I feel it in the force. No, this way to go fast.
This way.
You're gonna go turn the other way. Yeah. You're going the wrong way. You're gonna get the force now. There you go. There you go. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Go for it. You're going the wrong way for a second.
I did it again. God, I'm feeling it.
Yeah? How you doing over there? You okay over there?
Oh my God, I'm feeling
You
it.
getting it?
Not dizzy, but
Please remain seated until your train comes to a stop or walk to the nearest exit. Bye-bye.
no, because I did it wrong again.
He started it off bad, but it's okay. I just like how it looks.
Oh,
Sorry. Whoa.
is that supposed to be a dead star?
No, it's just an ornament. So today apparently is Mickey's 90th birthday, and I didn't know about the pin until like Anthony mentioned it. So we're gonna try to get some.
These ones?
Oh,
It has me written all over
no more.
Thank you. It's okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
They didn't have any more.
Ya no tiene.
No. We're boycotting. I'm just kidding. Isn't?
Oh no, I want to go home. No, I'm just kidding.
Be back.
She said we.
Oh,
Wait. Wait.
I just noticed how this looks. It looks kind of like fancy.
This is like a tie.
Yeah, but I really don't. We got her a gift. You're gonna see it right now. Oh, it's not moving.
Here's our gift.
Oh, this is gonna be like it. It goes the other way.
Yeah.
Like, oh, that's her head. Her face is facing this way. Perfect.
Okay, you got a hydro. You put on your laptop.
Oh, I
Yeah. You like it?
know. What is that?
Oh.
I asked
Is
for someone to
that-
me.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Did you make those?
She made them.
Always in the description. No, just kidding.
Link in description where you can buy them.
Oh my god. This is so cute.
Ready?
I chose. I have some ears like that.
Oh, wait, wrong way.
No, that's fine.
that's
Yeah,
sure?
that's right. That's right.
Okay. Tell me how much.
It's
No,
right
don't
on my
even tell me.
ear.
Just,
Oh, sorry.
I'll give you my money. There you go.
Take Koma.
Oh my god. I love it. I'm just all over it.
I'm showing you my cup. And you're looking into the ears.
He's like, I can't look away.
Those are those
We went Hogwarts theme, so
Yeah.
try to look for the colors.
That was a
If you don't want the
gift
socks,
receipt.
there's a gift
Oh.
receipt.
Oh, she's gotta keep the
No, I'm not
socks.
gonna- Oh, how cute!
What, are these stickers?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can put it on my.
You can put your hydro, you can put your laptop. You can find anything you
Yeah.
want.
Thank you.
Thank
Let
you.
me look at the ears. Because you were worried.
Yeah.
How pretty! Oh, Ariel! How cute!
Little diva hopper.
Yeah. Oh, thank you, Priscilla. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
But
Oh,
the
you're
ears are
welcome.
from him because he requested them.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Those are from him. That's his gift.
I have to pay her, so
Oh,
I-
thank you.
because I know you wanted Ariel, so I
Could have worn it today.
Yeah.
forgot.
Saying Adam was like, I don't know how I'm gonna give it to her. Like, if I put it in the bag, what if it like I take
It
it
could
out
break,
and like the
or-
dingle hopper's all like flailing around?
I hate that you just called it that. This is so pretty.
There you go.
Jelly. I really am. Oh, I am so gonna wear it when we come to Disneyland again. Oh, thank you guys. This means a lot.
Yeah, happy birthday to you, sweetie.
Happy
Oh, thank you.
to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Gabby. Happy birthday to
Thank you. Thank you guys. Yay. Thanks, Adam.
You're welcome. I like how they look.
Oh, thank you, Mark.
Oh, see?
That's why they went over there.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
like-
Because you were like this.
I was like-
You were like this. Like, dude, come with me. I'm like, okay. And like, show me
Taking it
your
off.
secret. He's like, here, I got something in my stomach. Ooh.
The people walking by, they're like, what's going on?
They have like a secret drug deal. It's just yours. I know. I was like, what are you guys doing over there? I was like, he doesn't want to see what I'm getting.
A Christmas gift for my wife.
Yes. Right.
Thanks again, guys.
Bye.
She's all like, she looks so pretty. She looks so cool.
Good
So
night.
like later on, Priscilla, make me up here ears.